Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Samsung toner cartridges is probably one of the most important aspects of maintaining your printer. These cartridges are essential for producing high-quality prints, and understanding how to choose the right one can significantly impact your printing experience. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Samsung toner cartridges, exploring everything from compatibility to print quality, helping you make informed decisions for your printing needs. Number 5. Easy Ink Samsung 111S 111L Toner Cartridges. Introducing the Easy Ink Compatible Toner Cartridge. This is a replacement for Samsung 111S and 111L models. It's designed to provide high-quality prints. This toner cartridge works with a wide range of Samsung Express printers. You can use it with models like M2020W, M2022W, and M2070FW. It's a versatile choice for your printing needs. Inside the package, you'll find 2 black toner cartridges and a user guide. This ensures you have everything you need to get started right away. It's a complete printing solution. Each 111S toner cartridge can print up to 1,800 pages. This is based on 5% coverage. This means you can print more without frequent replacements. The refined toner powder ensures high-quality images and text. It delivers crisp and clear results every time. You'll be impressed with the print quality. What we like. This 2-pack offers great value, ensuring you have a spare cartridge ready to go. It also boasts a high page yield, meaning fewer replacements and more printing. If you have a busy home office or small business, this is a great choice. What people say. Works fine, good imaging, handles paper and prints fine. I followed the instructions that came with the cartridges and inserted into the printer, and the printer picked the cartridge up with no problems. I was able to print right away. Print quality is good. Number 4. Easy Ink MLT D101S Toner Cartridge for Samsung. This is a compatible toner cartridge from Easy Ink. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Samsung printer, offering a reliable printing experience. You can expect high-quality prints every time. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Samsung printer models. It works with ML2160, ML2165W, SEX3405W and more. Check the full list to ensure it fits your printer. Inside the package, you'll find 1 black MLT D101S toner cartridge and a user guide. The guide provides helpful information for installation and usage. This is everything you need to get started. Each black cartridge can print up to 1,500 pages at 5% coverage. This means it offers a great value for your printing needs. It is a cost-effective solution for both home and office use. The refined toner powder ensures high-quality images and text. It delivers crisp, clear prints, making it perfect for documents and reports. It will meet your printing expectations. If you encounter an error message, try switching the printer cover on and off several times. This can help the printer recognize the cartridge. This simple step often resolves the issue. What we like. This single cartridge is a reliable option for everyday printing needs. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and hassle. If you need a simple, straightforward replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfectly on the printer. 100% compatible with Samsung laser printer. Toner worked perfectly. Number 3. Easy Ink Samsung 404S Toner Cartridge Replacement, 4-pack. Introducing the Easy Ink 404S Toner Cartridge Replacement. This 4-pack is designed for your Samsung printer, offering a reliable and cost-effective printing solution. Inside, you'll find a user guide and 4 toner cartridges, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Each cartridge is ready to install and get you printing quickly. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Samsung SL series printers, including C430W, C480FW, and many more. Check the list to ensure it fits your model. Get more out of each cartridge. The black cartridge yields up to 1,500 pages, while the color cartridges yield up to 1,000 pages each, based on 5% coverage. Enjoy professional quality prints with premium toner powder. It delivers crisp text and vibrant graphics every time you print. What we like. This 4-pack provides a full set of color cartridges, perfect for vibrant prints. It delivers crisp text and graphics, ensuring professional-looking documents. If you are looking for high-quality color prints, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They arrived on time and worked flawlessly. It is working perfectly. After a full year of use, I can confirm that these work absolutely just as good as the factory originals and have not given me any issues whatsoever. Number 2. Cool Toner CLT 504S Toner Cartridges for Samsung Printers. Are you tired of expensive toner cartridges? This is a compatible replacement for your Samsung printer. It offers a cost-effective solution without compromising quality. This toner cartridge is a direct replacement for the Samsung CLT 504S series. It's designed to work seamlessly with your printer, ensuring optimal performance. This cartridge is compatible with a range of Samsung Express and CLX series printers. It fits perfectly, so you can enjoy hassle-free printing. Get more prints with the high-yield capacity. The black cartridge yields up to 2,500 pages, and the color cartridges yield up to 1,800 pages, based on 5% coverage. This package includes a 4-pack of toner cartridges. It has everything you need to keep your printer running smoothly for longer. Installing this toner is simple and straightforward. It's fully compatible with your printer, so you can start printing right away. What we like. This high-yield cartridge set is designed for efficiency, reducing the frequency of replacements. It offers vibrant color printing, perfect for marketing materials or presentations. If you print frequently and need cost-effective color printing, consider this. What people say. Well packaged, color works. Vendor tech support send a replacement and it works fine after that. Good support and follow-up. Bought a laser printer from Facebook and all the inks were low and loads of lines on the print, so ordered a full set from the seller, and all I can say is they are great, no lines or streaks when printing, great value for money, will buy from again. Number 1. USUPERINK MLT D101S Black Toner Cartridge. This is a replacement toner cartridge for your Samsung printer. It is designed to provide high-quality, clear printouts for all your needs. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Samsung printers, including the ML2160, ML2165W, and SCX3405W series. It's a great partner for your printer. Get up to 1,500 pages per cartridge. It offers consistent printing on every page, meeting all your home, school, and office needs. The package includes one MLT D101S toner cartridge and a user guide. It's easy to install and ready to use. It provides crisp printing effects. The first-class developer roller ensures consistent and high-quality prints every time. What we like. This single cartridge provides a high page yield, meaning fewer replacements and more printing. It ensures high-quality printouts, meeting all your home, school, and office needs. If you need a reliable, high-yield cartridge, this is a great option. What people say. A laser printer gives you 1,500 copy pages on every toner cartridge. The toner cartridges on Amazon are inexpensive, work like the original, Samsung, and are delivered to my doorstep in 36 hours. Quality is great, so smudging, no leakage of toner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.